So in this lesson, we will see how we can convert your drive into your Windows Explorer so that you can well organize your folders and files onto your Windows Explorer, which you can directly access from your Google Drive and from any of the devices. So it's basically Google has given us the two apps, the drive file sync and the backup and the sync video. So this tutorial will see the very basic step of organizing your files, and basically we will be focusing on the Google apps. So the very starting step is to sync your drive with your local storage or your laptop or your computer. Okay, so now this is a very crucial step because once we start proceeding, we have a lot of files generated, and to the management of these files is a very crucial step. Okay, so for now we have two different options. So one is your Google Drive file stream, which is basically for the institutions or the corporate offices, wherein the company or the institution has taken the cloud storage services from the Google along with the various applications. And for the personal use, you we have Google Backup and Sync. Okay, so there are different advantages for each of the applications. So let's first go ahead with the backup and sync. Okay, so in the backup and sync, we can see that the individual files, whichever present on the drive, are getting mapped or getting synced onto your local storage, and whatever the folder we on from the local storage that we wanted to get the backup on the drive, that we can choose so that the syncing to and fro will start. Okay, then the very first step is to just open the application. Okay, so let me open backup and sync. Okay, so I have opened the backup and sync, so click on get started. So I'll just quickly show this demo because now see here, currently we are not seeing our Google Drive data onto your local machine. There is no folder, but however, once we log in, we can get to see the drive folder here. And for that, just let me log in. It's just a simple three-step process. Second is we need to choose which folder from the laptop we wanted to create a backup onto the Google Drive. So I'll just for now check these two, not even these two. I don't want to use any of the folder. Say next. And third, sync files from my drive to a folder on this computer. So it will automatically create Google Drive named folder. Okay, now start. So as soon as I press on the start, it has created this shortcut on the desktop, and the folder has been created into my favorites. Okay, so that will have all the files that are present onto my drive. Okay, so for example, here you see the upload, Excel, DAV, so on and so forth files. So depending upon the network speed, once this is start syncing, all the files will be available offline for me to work on. Okay, so here the backup and sync icon will show